Welcome back. So we did have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies across the region. Most of the cloud cover happened as we made our way through the afternoon. We're clearing out again as of right now as we see that sunset about to happen here in North Platte on our sky cam. Here's a look at the current temperature after reaching highs in the upper 70s today. We've since fallen to 74. Wind is north around 7 miles per hour. That's going to pump in some cooler air over the next couple of days with the dew point of 43. So just a little bit of humidity in the atmosphere, but temperatures still staying warm for this time of year. 74 at Ogallala, 73 at Imperial, and at Broken Bow, mid-70s at Lexington, and lower 70s as you make your way up toward Valentine. Now, here's a look at the winds, mainly from a northerly direction. Wind speeds in the Sandhills around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Along the I-80 corridor, 5 to 10 miles per hour. But that northerly wind is continuing to cool us off. Let's take a look at the weather alerts. And we do have freeze watches in effect into portions of central and western North Dakota and most of the state of South Dakota right now, but nothing in Nebraska as of yet. The freeze watches go from Thursday night through Friday morning. So we're going to stay above the freezing mark, at least as we make our way through this system that's going to give us cool air. But I'm sure cooler air is going to be on the way as we finish out the month of October. Now, here's a look at the surface map. Dual low pressure system. This one is in charge of our forecast. There's a secondary cold front that's going to make its way through, and much colder air from the Arctic is behind this one. This is a really cool high pressure system that's going to make its way in as we finish out the work week and start the weekend. So as for that cold front that's going to make its way through, the 70s and 80s are going to be gone, moving into the Midwest and Northeast. Some rain showers also moving into the Midwest, but this batch of cold air will get us back to highs into the 50s, and as we make your way into the Dakotas, the 40s. And on the backside of this system, the cold front will set up over us, giving us chances for some rain, especially Thursday night into Friday morning. So let's take a look at the skycast. Mainly clear skies. Temperatures quickly falling back through the 50s this evening into the 40s during the overnight. More clouds work their way in for Thursday. We think Thursday is going to be mainly dry. Could be partly to mostly cloudy skies at times, but high temperatures will be into the mid to upper 60s, and then all that cool air filters in. There's the rain chances Thursday night through Friday morning. Lows will be into the mid to upper 30s, so it should stay all rain, and we're not really dealing with any frost or freeze. By Friday afternoon, we're going to keep mostly cloudy skies, and with the clouds all day, highs will only be into the upper 40s before we warm up again as we go through the weekend. So here's a look at the national map through midweek. The ridge in the jet stream is going to be over the west coast, but we've got that dip that'll give us some showers, and the cold air will definitely start to filter in. Now, by Friday, that cold air is moving into the Midwest and into the Northeast, and we, for the weekend, are going to dry out, and some of this unseasonably warm air is going to be back into our forecast area with more sunshine. So the best chance of some rain is overnight Thursday into Friday. High temperatures fall from the upper 60s into the upper 40s, but over the weekend, back into the mid 60s to near 70, lots of sunshine. Lower 70s on Monday, mainly sunny skies, back to that dry and warm weather pattern Tuesday at 76, and then mostly sunny, a little breezy with northerly winds Wednesday, and then it'll get us down to 66. We'll be right back.
Attention Zantac users. If you or a loved one was diagnosed with cancer after regular